जैसे जिसको समझ आएगा वैसे ही वो बात करेगा। तो मैं अपने बेटे से वैसे ही बात करता हूँ, यो डूड सी यू कूल या स्क्रू यू बाय। I need to talk to him like this. He doesn't talk any other way. And तो जो भाषा है हिंदी, मैं बहुत अभी मैं सीरियसली तुमने पूछा, मैं कुछ 5 दिन से मैंने एक नया सिलसिला शुरू किया है घर में कि मैं खुद गालिब को पढ़ता हूँ और अपने बेटे और बेटी को गालिब सिखा रहा हूँ कि थोड़ा बहुत उर्दू समझ आ जाए। फिर मैं कबीर के दोहे सुना रहा हूँ, रहीम जी के दोहे और सब बता रहा हूँ, बहुत ही बड़ी बड़ी जो भया हुआ ना पंडित कोई, तो मैं उनको समझा रहा हूँ और वो थोड़ा सा सो से जाते हैं। Yeah, okay, yeah, got it. Yeah, so what you're trying to say is love is good, yeah, cool. So, should I continue with my effort to say the full doha? और मैं अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करूँ।
कभी वो खाली नहीं जाएगा,
खाली नहीं जाएगा, मुझे ऐसा लगता है। तो लेकिन मुझे ये भी रिस्पेक्ट करनी है कि जब मैं उनसे बात करूँ तो मैं उनकी भाषा में बोलूँ, where hotel, yeah, okay, good day, I want to go to bar. So I speak to them in their language. And because of this amalgamation, I think we should feel very proud that all languages are now finally becoming involved with each other. You know, like somebody would write, you know, dude, I'm going, I gotta bounce. Bounce? You gotta go. What is bounce? But that's how they speak now. So I think एक जगह पर जिन लोगों को आती है उस माध्यम को, उस भाषा को I think clearly use करना चाहिए जितने लोगों के सामने कर सकते हैं। और हम भाषा को जितना डिफिकल्ट बनाएंगे मुझे लगता है उतनी वो यूज उसकी कम हो जाएगी।
ट्रांजैक्शन से कहीं आगे भी भाषा है कि अगर आप देखें, यू नो, इट्स फाइन फॉर ट्रांजैक्शनल यूज, यू नो, हिंदी इज यूज्ड, वो आप पर वो बेसिक है। उससे कहीं ज़्यादा भाषा को जो लोग समृद्ध करते हैं, जिन्होंने उसको एनरिच किया है, they have really worked hard on enriching the language for years. You know, a lot of poets, you know, a lot of you know, writers, they kept on chiseling the language. और एक भाषा की जो भाषा एक संस्कृति भी होती है। मैं ये मानता हूँ कि एक शब्द जब बनता है तो उसके साथ संस्कृति बनती है। It's a capsule of culture which dies with it. It is not just one word which dies. And I have no problem in, you know, accepting SMS as a new word. कि but आप ये नहीं लिख सकते कि संदेश से आते हैं की जगह SMS आते हैं। You know, that's a feeling.
अगर तुम नहीं लिखोगे मैं तो अगली पिक्चर में कर दूंगा।
नहीं, पर उसकी धुन कर दो। सुपरस्टार। उसकी जरूरत और उसका इमोशन फर्क होगा। क्योंकि जो संदेश में जो एक तरह की खुशबू आएगी आपको, वो SMS में खुशबू, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है खुशबू का, तो शायद नहीं आ पाए। So I think somewhere there is an effort which I feel, you know, has to be made, and as you are making with your children, that, you know, something which called preservation, which is, you know, बहुत आसान होता है छोड़ देना, बड़ा मुश्किल होता है बचा के रखना, और नई चीज तो आएगी। So I feel we probably, you know, need to.
No, absolutely. मुझे आप जब आप बात करते हो मुझे खुद पर, हालांकि मुझे इतनी उर्दू हिंदी मैं इतना उसमें इतना अच्छा नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मुझको लगता है कि मैं जब भी बात करता हूँ तो मुझको थोड़ा कमांड है। आई फील वेरी प्राउड ऑफ इट। इफ यू फील प्राउड ऑफ द लैंग्वेज और द यूजेज ऑफ द लैंग्वेज दैट यू हैव, whether it is Hindi, whether it is Urdu, whether it is Sanskrit, whether it is English, I think that pride needs to be instilled in everyone. उसके बाद SMS बोलो ना, लेकिन आपको मालूम होना चाहिए SMS जो है संदेश के लिए एक और वर्ड है। एंड आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग मैं सच बोलूँगा, मैं जितना भी मैंने काम किया है मुझे ये नहीं मालूम कि मैं एक्टिंग में कितना अच्छा हूँ या मैंने फिल्मों में जो काम किया है उसमें कितना ठीक हूँ, लेकिन मुझे ये ज़रूर मालूम है कि हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में मुझे एटलीस्ट 40% एडवांटेज इसलिए मिला है कि मैं उस जगह से आया हूँ, उस अपब्रिंगिंग से हूँ जहाँ से मुझे भाषा पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा कंट्रोल है। It has helped me with my profession. And I think, you know, when I day before yesterday, you know, one of my people, Pooja, told me, "You can read Hindi? I can read Hindi. I can walk English. I can talk English, and I can walk Hindi, and I can talk Hindi." And it's absolutely, you have to be proud of the language that you know, and you need to be practicing it. And I think in our own small ways, Rajasthan Patrika or people in the houses, I think they need to make sure that जो language है, वो समझ तो लो, सीख तो लो, उसके बाद, like you said, छोड़ना बहुत आसान होता है, उसको बनाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. So I think people need to use it nice. अच्छा लगता है. मैं तो बताऊँ सबसे सिंपल बात, लड़कियाँ बहुत impress होती हैं अगर अच्छी भाषा में बात करो.
हिंदी और दूसरे ज़्यादा होती है.
Absolutely. तो मैं सबको ये कहूँगा कि जितनों के भी लड़के हैं उनको एटलीस्ट ये बात समझा दो, बुद्धू बना दो इस बात के लिए, तो एटलीस्ट they use the language properly.
Thank you. On the lighter note, I think I've been indicated by your team that we should close this evening. But thank you very much. I think it was lovely talking to you. And I hope you can also enjoy.
Santosh,
Thank you, Siddharth. Thank you everyone for waiting. I'm extremely apologetic again for being late, but it wasn't out of any tardiness or the fact that I couldn't afford to come in. You know, Rajasthan Patrika personally, I met him about 2 साल पहले मेरी मुलाकात हुई सबके साथ, and we have become like family, and I've learned a lot being there in Jaipur and being in Rajasthan. So thank you for inviting me here, and I think it's a great honor. First, being the chief guest for this evening. I never think I really deserve it. So thank you, Gulab sir, thank you, Siddharth sir, and everyone, Rajasthan Patrika. And then, as I बोलते हैं सोने पे सुहागा है, तो रसूल से मेरी बातचीत कराई, someone who I have a huge amount of respect for, not only in terms of what he writes and he says, but just as a human being. So thank you, Rasul.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for taking this very beautiful.
I request you to stay back as the eagerly waiting audience. If you have any questions, anybody would like to ask?
If you have any, I'm sorry.
Sorry for that, apologies for that, but request volunteers
Please
to
sit down,
give the
sit
mic.
down and answer to me.
I request the audience to please settle down. Volunteers to please handle the mic on the left side. Let's have a huge round of applause for the intense, interesting, mesmerizing and entertaining conversation this evening. And ladies and gentlemen, let's get it louder. Let's go. Thank you. I request the volunteers to handle the mic. The first one on the left-hand side, here we have a question.
Hi, Shahrukh. I'm Christy. I don't have any questions, but I'm a big fan of yours. And I love you a lot. And I've waited for this evening from the last 20 years. and I love you very much. I want to hug you, please.
हम सब कुछ करेंगे, किसी चीज में भी कमी नहीं छोड़ेंगे. So I'll hug you after, as soon as I finish. So you, all the people who have to hug me have to stand on one side, especially the girls. No guys tonight.
Please don't go without.
सिर्फ तुम्हारे लिए सृष्टि, तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम प्यार होता है.
पूरे इंडियंस को वे कुछ एक ही चीज बोली, ज्यादा मत बोलिए.
नहीं मैं ज्यादा नहीं बोलूँगा यार, ज्यादा बोलूँगा तो पैसे ले लूँगा. But
I'm just kidding. You can go on.
if I took you seriously, you would not be living tomorrow. I'm also kidding now. But what my whole idea is that because of the kind of films that I've done and the kind of roles that I do with the ladies that I work with, the one immense thing that affects me is the role of women in this country. And not only in this country, I think around the world. So अगर मुझसे बोला जाए कि कौन सी ऐसी बात है या कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ है, और इंशाल्लाह जब मैं अपनी जैसे गुलाब साहब ने कहा, अपनी कमर्शियल भाग दौड़ से निजात पाऊंगा, आराम से घर में बैठ जाऊंगा और मुझे लगेगा सब कुछ कर लिया जो करना है मुझको, I would actually want to say that women need to be treated with.
Thank you. You know, I heard you talking about language. So, with respect to language, I have a question. In India, we are losing Hindi. मैं हिंदी बोलता हूँ, मैं लिखता English में. So, don't you think Hindi as a language is dying? You know, slowly and steadily, very slowly. You know, at a very slowly. It's like evolution happening. It's like evolution. Seriously. So, what do you think about that? As you mentioned, you know, Kabir ke dohe. I mean, I read them, but I don't think my child, if he was raised, you know, in a metropolitan city like Mumbai or Delhi, I'm from Delhi, so if he was raised there, I don't think he'll be taught that. So in Hindi, he'll be taught, you know, ki mata, but he won't be taught, you know, traditional Kabir ke dohe. Punjabi mein hamare bahut wo hote hain, gurbaniyan hoti hain. I don't think he'll be taught that. So
I think one thing, I think we Indians have, which nobody else has, is that we are extremely entrenched in our culture and religion and our beliefs. So I doubt it will go away as fast as we are scared that it might go away. But having said that, I think, sorry, I didn't get your name. Did you say
Rahul,
it?
Rahul.
Yeah. Naam to suna hoga.
I would like to mention, I was called Vicky. Vicky was my name, and since there were a lot of movies with Rahul in them, so and Vicky, Vicky Tiki करके मेरे को चढ़ाते रहते थे. I got changed to Rahul.
Very good. Vicky और Monty villain होते हैं हिंदी में.
I know. I don't do that as a reference when I get up.
But really, I seriously believe that actually even English as a language is dying. It's not only Hindi. We may, at this point of time, sitting here, think a language is dying. We would like, I think, positively think it's evolving into something else. With this huge, somebody told me the other day, I think the gentleman who's considered the forefather of social networking and actually the internet. I was seeing a program, not Zuckerberg, I was talking about someone deeper. But I was made to understand that, this whole idea of information and this huge deluge of information that is falling upon us, so much now accessible, is resulting in a bottleneck that we need to, as youngsters, as middle-aged people, as older people, be able to say, ये बहुत सारा है, इसमें से चुनना क्या है जो सही है. That is going to be the next big thing in this world. The next big thing is not going to be technology or mechanics or language. The next big thing is going to be, what is the right path that you're going to choose out of this huge deluge and this overkill of information you're going to have. I think language is also going to have that. जो भाषा है वो बहुत चारों तरफ फैलेगी. सोशल नेटवर्किंग के जरिए भी हर जगह पे हम उसको हिंदी को भी सुनेंगे, पंजाबी को भी सुनेंगे. It's so amazing. Today, about 10 years ago, 15 years ago, I wanted to hear Gurbani. I can't. But now I just go, figure it out, and there's a whole YouTube it, and you have access to the strangest of things. So the fact is, it's all there. I think we will personally make choices of what matters to us, and I think, and I have hope, and I have belief, that the purists may find things changing a little, but the pure form of any lyricism, which is the language, or the spoken word, or the written word, or the sung word, will remain. Parents will do it. I think educationists will do it. People who are aware will do it. People like you who even ask this question are aware of it, means you will do it. So I think it will retain its some essence and goodness somewhere down the line.
I have a few things to say, but I think we'll sum it up.
But no, language will change form. It's a ever flowing river. ये सतत बहने वाली धारा है. उसका स्वरूप बदल जाता है. पानी आप मटके में भर लेते हैं तो पानी रहने से वो पानी नहीं है कि वो भी पानी है, लेकिन झरने में अलग पानी है, नदी में अलग पानी. The language is ever changing and it's like a river. भाषा अड़ जाएगी तो सड़ जाएगी. तो भाषा को तो बदलता होगा, वो बदलेगी, पर किस रूप में जिंदा रहती है ये. बट हिंदी इतनी कमजोर नहीं जितनी आप समझ रहे हैं कि इतनी आसानी से मर जाएगी.
Apologies, but that's all the time we have for the Q&A. Let's have a huge round of applause. I apologize, but that's all the time we have.
Do the last question.
Advertising and marketing have this problem. How do you keep yourself relevant and so contemporary even today after 2 decades?
You don't try too hard. You just do the stuff that comes naturally. I tell you honestly, whenever I read a lot, I see a lot, and being an actor, it comes naturally to me to be aware of things that are happening. It's a natural instinct. And I think if you want to keep yourself relevant, one, to be relevant, you got to be yourself. Anything that changes with things that are changing around you is just a fad. It's never going to be of essence, neither is it going to be relevant. So if, I meet people who are so interesting because they know that the earth they come from, not because they've changed their accent or the way they talk or the way they communicate. So I think if you remain yourself, and like Prasanna Saab said, कि अगर आप अड़ जाएंगे तो